Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, because basically to show you the background of the whole video, I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number today. The first one requires entering the contact list, because we will simply block the number you've got currently saved, and the second is more manual. So let's enter the contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, maybe this one, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on block numbers, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. So let's simply tap on block and as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, we've got also this information, and from now on the number is blocked. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock it the same way. Tap on the three dots icon and tap on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this because I'd like to check whether it will appear on our blacklist, which is the section we will enter in the second way of blocking the number. So here it does not really matter whether you will be in the contacts, recents or the favorites. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. And now we have to tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is the section with our blocked numbers, so the blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous way also works. And here we can add a number manually. So let's tap on add a number, and as you can see in this area we can enter the number. We can of course paste it if we've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, we've got this unknown option. We can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically we can decide whether we want to block all incoming calls from unidentified callers. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. If you want to, you can unblock the number. Just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.